I come from very remote area, northeast Tibet, northeast part of Tibet. Particularly my sort of home, village, very remote, and farmer. My mother, both parents, illiterate. However, my mother, very, very kind-hearted. Really, very good mother. So therefore, we, her children, is grown up within that atmosphere. So that, I think, really makes
difference.
I think immense impact. Sometimes I jokingly was telling my friend, my mother, so kind to me. And of course, when I was young, I'm the youngest her sort of children. So usually, you see, the mother extend love to all, but particularly the younger one, the youngest one. So that little spoiled me, I think. So the reason, as a sort of villager, the mother usually, you see, carry her sort of children, her child on shoulder. So me too, my mother used to carry me. Then mother so kind towards me. So I become a little aggressive. So while I sit on my mother's shoulder, I hold my mother's 2 ears. When I want to go this direction, I do this. And that direction, go like that. If mother not follow that way, then I cry and my leg do that. So in any way, I really feel, you see, a certain amount of my sort of warm-heartedness originally come from my mother.